Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Premarket, SPY and QQQ on an uptrend. QQQ trading above yesterday's closing price, but SPY still below. But both SPY and QQQ as of now is on an uptrend. Not sure whether it's going to hold. Going into market open, as usual, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon and Tesla. Nvidia and Amazon trading above yesterday's closing price, but Tesla relatively weak, staying below yesterday's closing price. So my primary watch for today would be Tesla, followed by Nvidia and Amazon. We do have around 12 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching Tesla and Amazon. Look at Tesla go. Not ready to add yet. Around 2 minutes for this candle to close. There's resistance over here. Clearly respected that level, but I cannot take it at that time because QQQ was super strong. Just waiting for this candle to close. Missed it completely. See how it's wicking hard. That's the reason why we cannot get an entry. Was a perfect trade had I took that risk, but it is what it is. Sometimes you may miss beautiful opportunities. $31.70 I got in. $30.20. I didn't get it. I'm just holding one. Yep, I'm out. I didn't get a second ad there. Had I got my second ad, this was a perfect trade, but I will be happy with $180. Can it make a new high? $33.60, you placed an order. Yep, I'm in. $32.10, place an order. Not sure whether I'll get it. Yep, I'm in. My next ad would be around 693 area. Around 2 minutes for this candle to close, so not in a hurry here. Watching carefully. Out. That was a great trade on the day. $480. I'll take it. I think I got my fair share for today. I don't want to risk it by over trading. So I think it's a good time to call the day off. 30 minutes of trading, making close to around $480. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.